today we're gonna focus on MYOB. I'm gonna show you like what you can do with the MYOB software. Just to keep in mind, yeah, so there are MYOB, Xero, QuickBooks, there are various accounting software companies, and within the MYOB, within the MYOB company, there's accounts, right? And there's MYOB Premies. So I don't know which one you guys use, but there are so many like different versions and different like, you know, premies, accounts, right? Unless I go to your company and then like show you how to do it, I can't really, like, I gotta install the, I gotta buy the software and then download it. So sorry that I can't do that. But yeah, and I can't show it from my company's, you know, file because obviously there's confidential issues. Yeah, so there's stuff like this in MYOB and also in I don't know if they're related, but Google said it is, QuickBooks and Reckon. So I think they're the main software that clients, well, a lot of businesses use. MYOB, Reckon, and like online platforms like Xero, yeah, QuickBooks. And there's MYOB Online, but apparently it's not that good. But today I'm gonna be showing you around MYOB Online because, well, that's the nearest MYOB I can show without purchasing anything. Firstly, I went to myob.com.au to create a free account. And then use this dummy account, like the sample business, to play around with the software, but online version. So I clicked on the sample business, then it took me to this dashboard. Oh, I guess you can say this is like a bank account. Like if you look at bank account and then it shows you like all this like accounts you have and like the ins and outs of things. So yeah, there are money in, money out, banking, all that kind of stuff on dashboard. And then you don't really need to go down because the important parts are up there. The first thing you want to do is knowing what the client does. Well, in your case, it's your company, so you know what you're doing. But in case you're working in an accounting firm, you want to know what the client that you're working on is doing, so that you get the basics of, you understand the transactions better, you understand the story behind the transactions, and it just makes the job easier. So in order to do that, you will just browse through, like what I was doing was just browsing through to find out what the company was doing. So like looking at purchase history, like, you know, invoices, receipts, all that kind of stuff. And then it just seems like from here, it seems like we're a garden supply company. We're working on garden supply company. I guess it's easy, you know, you just kind of play around for a bit and then see what's going on, like see what's there, and then that's how you basically learn how to use this software. Because even though I show you, you wouldn't like, you would forget. So I think the best thing you can do is just practicing it yourself.